Hello, my name's Molly Isaacs. I'm an engineer at the Offshore Renewable Energy Catapult, and I'll be speaking at Leadvent's third annual Offshore Wind Operations and Maintenance Forum on the 7th of March in Berlin, so I hope to see you there. I'll be discussing sustainability and circular economy within the wind sector, with a focus on end-of-life material pathways. I'll be sharing some thought on the innovations in circular economy practices during operations and maintenance, as well as the current and near future ability to handle materials arising from decommissioned wind farms. So that's including materials mapping of a full turbine structure and our analysis of technology and capacity gaps. So I look forward to diving into the details around this with you and seeing you there on the 7th of March at the Offshore Wind Operations and Maintenance Forum in Berlin.